Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for tuning in today. In this video, I will show you how to enable the zoom option in the main menu of the Brave beta browser on mobile. This feature is especially useful if you want faster access to Zoom. First, open the Brave beta browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. After that, scroll down until you see Accessibility and tap on it to enter the accessibility options. Next, inside the Accessibility menu, look for the option called Show Zoom Option in Main menu. Then, turn this option on by tapping the toggle switch next to it. This allows you to quickly zoom in or out on any web page directly from the main menu whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who might benefit.